Hello viewers, today we are going to discuss about COUNTIF function. COUNTIF function generally we use to count the number of cells which met our criteria. So the syntax is a COUNTIF required range and criteria. The syntax, the total meaning of this COUNTIF, count the number of cells within the range that meet our criteria or condition. So generally now count the pencils in the D column items. So we have the data from D2 to D44, right? So I'm writing the syntax here, count if. So counts the number of cells within a range that meet the given condition. Okay. So first required range. Range means the same, you have to select the data. So I am selecting this 42 to D42 to D44. Just I am using logs for this reference. Then criteria, I am giving criteria here. Just close it. Hit enter. So we are getting the result. All the pencils in this D column, we have only the 13 pencils. So we can write other way. So directly we write the, so first you can draw the, for all, these all are unique items in the D column. So I'm just move the cursor to the bottom right. So we will get the one plus sign, a small plus sign. You can drag to down, right? So we are getting the answer. See, suppose you are not used to logs. See what happened. Removing the all logs. So but not affected this time. So you can see what will happen here. So the range should be changed. The range should be changed. If you fill down the same formula, it is getting down. So that's the reason you can write logs. You can use the shortcut F4. Now apply the same for all. This is the count of these items. So these all are repeated in the D column. So we are getting this count of pencils, binders and pen, desk and pen set. So we have this many types of counts. So single criteria, these all are the single criteria. So end with and start with contains. So we will discuss about end with. End with means, so date, the item should be anything in the previous, but the last should be T. If you can give any number of characters as per your requirement. Suppose I am giving NCIL. So previous the data not consider, end with NCIL. So this is the criteria. So write the formula, same formula, count if, select the range, comma, this is the range. So you can use F4 to log the range. So we are getting the number of So last, the text which has end NCIL, end with NCIL. If you want to change this, you can. Just L or. So or means a binder, right? They are get the same. Suppose I am giving there is a central, east, central, and west. We have a three criteria is are there. We have a three regions. East and west both having a T, right? So we will write T and one formula equals to count if select range. You can select the range. So use this criteria. So this is the result 19. You can check easily. East and west, central there is no last with end with T. So these two are end with T. So count it 19. This is our result 19. Now we completed end with, right? Start with. Count the number of cells. Start with the text. So start with the text. It is opposite direction. You can use the asterisk to the last. So just I am using a P asterisk for this criteria. I'm writing the formula. Count if, select the range or range D2 to D44. Our criteria, it is asking criteria next, right? Criteria. Just hit enter. We are getting the 25. So we have two items match with a P starting. Start with a P, right? P pencil and pen and pen set also 3. So you can count, see that count P. This is also P start with, and this is also. We are getting 25. The answer is 25. It is matching our count. This is the formula. So this is starts with. You can use the same formula. So you can write the criteria is equal to count if, select the range and write within the quotes P star. This is the other way to write count if formula. This is range, it doesn't change, but if you want to give the cell address or otherwise type and within the quotes, type in the quotes. So same result, right? The next should be contains. Now we are going to discuss about the text contains. The match, our criteria is given text, it should be in the cell that will be count. So for example, star en star means en should be in the item. So en is there and is also there. So these many cells contains en. Three, right? Three items are matching with our criteria. So write the formula is equal to count if, select the range, then select the criteria. So 25. Otherwise you can change anything. I'm use or only one R is there, binder only. So it is matching with a or matched with a binder. So 15. So only I use E for this. So we get 43. This also, this and this. So 20. Yeah, everything matching. So every item getting in between. E, 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 E. Okay. So change the criteria. So I'm checking with a D, 18. D. So 18. So contains any letter. It's a starting or ending or between. The letter should be in the cell, or how many letters you should in our criteria. If the condition is match, that will get the count of cells. The final one is a position. Position one. Position means suppose we have this. So E is the second position. Start whatever that it's not considered. So last two letters, we are not it's not required to match the question mark position, but E should match. Means the ends with the second letter, and from end to second letter should be E. Is equal to count if I'm giving this range. So criteria. So I'm changing this letter, the second position from last, I. So I is there. The second letter. So 13. It is matching. I'm selecting the starting to second letter. Starting to second letter means give the question mark starting and give the star mark to the last. So this is the first letter, whatever it is, not consider. The second letter should be I. So if you want to change E, it will be 28. So second letter E, this pencil, pen and pen set. Desk also, yeah, 28. So third letter should be yes. Third letter should be yes, means first two letters were not required to match, and the third letter should be match, end with anything. So 0. 0 means this is the third letter. No letter should be E in the third. So we change it as N. So matching. Third letter N. So you can give one more. Okay. Give the two letters. So omit the first letter and count with the two matches. ES. So we have a ES, right? So first letter should be anything. So 3. This is the position match. The condition, we have given the condition, the first letter should be anything, the second and third should be ES. After that, any text, the formula should not consider the matching. So this is the COUNTIF function.